In this YouTube video, I'm going to share with you how to gain more residential cleaning clients for your cleaning business. Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor here with yet another educational YouTube video. For those that are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Arellano and I am a cleaning business mentor. I have been in the cleaning industry for over 5 years, and in my very first year of business, I was able to grow and scale my cleaning business to over $320,000. And yes, I did say within the first 12 months. Now, there are 3 very important items that I had to have in place in order to gain these clients. And I highly suggest that you also do the same. Now, number 1 is having a Google My Business profile. Down below in the description of this video, I'm going to link 2 separate videos all about Google My Business profiles. In a nutshell, your Google My Business profile is a profile on Google that your clients are going to find once they Google cleaning services near me, cleaning near me, whatever keywords and types of cleanings that you are going to provide. Now, once your potential clients find that profile, they are going to click on a website. So number 2 is having a fully functioning, user-friendly website. If you guys don't already have a website for your cleaning business, please feel free to click the link down below in the description of this video, as I do provide web design services specifically for cleaning businesses. So now you have your Google My Business profile so that you can be found on Google. Number 2, you have your fully functioning, user-friendly website. Now this brings me to my 3rd point of this video, and actually what the video is going to be all about, which is instant booking forms. My very first cleaning client was able to find me online through my Google My Business profile, then headed over to my website, and then was directed to my instant booking forms. So before my very first clean, I had all 3 items set up properly from the very beginning. Now, what are instant booking forms? Great question. Instant booking forms are forms that are embedded onto your website by a designer that are going to allow your clients or your potential clients to actually, number 1, receive a quote on your website, number 2, book through your website, and number 3, most importantly, actually put their credit card information for your business. Now, here's the issue with not having instant booking forms on your website. Now, you can have the best website in the world, and it can explain everything thoroughly. But if there isn't pricing on that website, 9 out of 10 times that client is going to find another cleaning company that does have that information on their website. For the most part, I'm sure that if you do have a website and you don't have instant booking forms, then you have some kind of lead gen form, meaning a contact us form, right? Where you're asking, hey, do you want a quote? Please put in your information and the amount of bedrooms and we'll get back to you. Now, the problem with that is the client is going to go to the next cleaning business's website. And why is that? Well, let's be honest, right? We're in 2024, and for quite some time now, technology has been a huge part of our lives. As human beings in this day and age, we all really want that instant gratification, meaning quick and easy. Now, if I were to go on a website to look for cleaning prices specifically, right? Because people can know everything about our services, but at the end of the day, they want to know how much does it cost. So if I were to go onto a cleaning website and I don't see pricing and I happen to see that lead capture form, I'll be honest with you, I'm not filling it out. There's no way I'm going to wait for a response, wait for a phone call just to get a quote over the phone. Not when I can simply go on other people's pages and actually get a quote. Hey cleaning family, if you're interested in learning how to run your very own multi-6-figure cleaning business, please be sure to check out the link in the description of this video, as I have many different online courses for my cleaning community. Instant booking forms double as a quoting platform. Now, what do I mean by that? So I personally use Zenmaid on my website. I am a huge fan of Zenmaid and I absolutely love them. Below in the description of this video, I am going to be sharing a coupon code for you guys. So be sure to use that to try out their free trial and see how you like it. When a client lands on my website, they see a really awesome form that's built out by Zenmaid. They are able to input their first name, their last name, their home address, their phone number, and their email. The next step for them is to actually toggle how many bedrooms and bathrooms they have. So there's going to be that little toggle button, and they can move it from 1 or 0 to about 7 bedrooms. You can actually have it for as many bedrooms as you want. Now they can do the same thing with the bathroom. So if it's a 2-bed, 2-bath, they're going to pick 2-bed, 2-bath. You also can list out all of your extras in there. So I'm talking about inside fridge, inside oven, outside of cabinets, garages, and whatever else you consider to be an extra within your cleaning business. Now, as they are choosing the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and extras, there's going to be a sidebar that shows the pricing. So if they click more bedrooms and more bathrooms, the price is going to go up, depending on how much you charge per bedroom and bathroom. And the same goes for the extras. If they click on the extra for the refrigerator, they're going to see an additional $50 or $60, and that's just my going rate to clean a fridge. You guys can set them up at your rates, of course. Now, the awesome thing about this is that a client is actually going to be able to create their own cleaning package. So not only do they get to choose the type of cleaning, it could be a standard, it could be a deep clean, a move in, move out clean, a post-construction clean. So you can have all your different clean types on there. So they get to choose the clean type, they get to choose the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and they get to choose their extra. Now, they already know their pricing. There are no surprises. There's no having to talk to you. They've already got everything they need. The next step for them is going to be to choose a date. So the calendar is going to pop up. They're going to be able to choose a date and their time that fits their schedule the best. Now, after choosing a date, this is my favorite part, by the way, they have to input their credit card information. That credit card information gets saved because it is integrated with a payment processor, which you may be familiar with. There are payment processors such as Stripe or Square. Those are the two most common, or the two most that I happen to know about anyhow. Once they hit the book now button, their cleaning is booked and scheduled. You are going to receive an email notification with the client's name, phone number, email address, physical address, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, extras, and even the type of cleaning, as well as the date and the time that they want. Now, what I personally do is I go ahead and take that information for their address and I put it into Zillow or any realtor site, and I just make sure that that information matches what's on their booking page. Sometimes people will put, 2-bed, 1-bathroom, but then you pull the house up and it says 4-bed, 2-bath. That's when we make the phone call and say, "Hey, Miss Arellano, thank you for your booking. We just wanted to confirm all of the information that came through. Is this address correct? Is this truly a deep cleaning? Is the house empty?" We go through that whole spiel and just make sure that everything that they chose matches up with their expectations. Once that is done, you can go ahead and convert the lead into an actual job and put it on the schedule. And then from there, you can actually schedule your cleaners. Not only is Zenmaid an instant booking form that doubles as a quoting platform, but it is also a scheduling system. So on the back end, you get to see a visual of your calendar for the month. They even have an amazing dashboard that gives you the projections for the month, meaning all the cleans that you have booked. And that's only one of the awesome features that they have. I do want to mention that you can use Zenmaid for both commercial and residential cleaning. As a business owner, you'll be able to log in, see what your sales are for the month, physically see a calendar of all of your cleans and your teams that are scheduled. There's also a mobile app for your employees or contractors to download. That way they can physically see their schedule, understand what type of cleaning it is, understand how long it's supposed to take, understand where the clean is taking place, and it even has a clock in and clock out feature, meaning that you can see what time your cleaner started and what time they finished. Another awesome point that I want to share with you guys is that not only will you be booking more cleanings by having your pricing readily available, and not just the pricing, but the feature to actually book, right? So not only is that a plus of using Zenmaid, but also you are going to do less talking on the phone. If a client has all the information that is needed in front of them, they are less likely to call in to ask these questions, okay? Our phone calls have significantly dropped, and not in a bad way, because people are heading over to our website to instant book. Now, I get bookings at all hours of the day, 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, 11 o'clock at night, hours that we are not open for business. And this brings me to another point. Having that instant booking form online pretty much keeps your storefront open 24/7. Even when you're not working, your business is working for you. Or rather, Zenmaid is helping run your business for you. Now, I understand that there's always a slight fear about learning new technology and platforms within your business. But I can tell you firsthand that Zenmaid is one of the easiest booking platforms that you could use as a cleaning business owner. Now, I have used Zenmaid, I've used Booking Koala, I've used Jobber, I've used Workiz, I've used at least 8 or 9 different booking platforms within my cleaning business over the years. And I've gone from one to the other and back and forth just to see what really works the best and what fits best for my business. And I can tell you that Zenmaid is hands down one of the easiest platforms to learn. So let's just do a little recap of why you should have instant booking forms on your website. Number one, your storefront is going to be open 24/7, even when you and your employees are sleeping. Number two, clients are not going to have to call in to get pricing. Number three, they're going to be instantly quoted as soon as they open that booking form and choose the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and the extras. There's no form to fill out. Nobody has to wait to get a call back. You're not going to lose that lead to the next cleaning company because maybe it was out of your office hours that they sent the message, right? And now 8 hours has gone by. You woke up, walked into the office, and finally saw that message. And number four, you are actually collecting credit card information up front. How amazing is that? I know that in the beginning of my cleaning business, I was fearful of taking credit card deposits or credit cards on file because I just really didn't know how the business worked. And I thought it was going to be kind of strange that a cleaning company was asking for that information when in fact it is completely normal. As a cleaning business owner who is cleaning homes, you should absolutely have a card on file for every single one of your clients. That way you never have to wait to get paid. Using Zenmaid, we automatically invoice our clients immediately after the clean. And if you want to, you could even take deposits up front, okay? That means taking a deposit up front, a non-refundable one that's going to secure their booking, and then immediately charging them for the balance after the clean. Long gone are the days of waiting to get paid. As a matter of fact, you're going to get some of that money up front should you want to implement that into your cleaning business. If you guys are interested in trying Zenmaid out for a 14-day free trial, please be sure to click out the referral link in the description of this video. If anybody needs help with building their actual booking platform, thirdly, if you guys need any assistance in actually building out your booking forms, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description of this video, as that it is a service that I provide. I can work with you to build your booking platform exactly how you'd like. We can go over your pricing, we can go over your extras, and make sure that every penny is being accounted for. Thirdly, if you guys need any assistance in building the actual booking platforms for the website and embedding them, I do provide those services. I will be linking down below a free 10-minute consultation for booking platforms. So let's get on a call and see how I can help you. I will sit with you to understand the types of cleans that you need on there, understand your pricing, and really help you set up your Zenmaid account so that you can log in and fully understand what's going on. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. Be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification button so that you are notified each and every time that I upload a new video.